In this video, we'll be going over an 11 plus question that involves us finding the perimeter of different shapes together. So, let's read our question. All the triangles in the diagram are equilateral triangles. What is the perimeter of the entire shape? So, let's look at the information that we are given. The side length of our larger equilateral triangle is 3 centimeters. This means that the other sides of our large equilateral triangle will also be 3 centimeters as well. Now, we can see here that there are 2 smaller equilateral triangles on the side of our larger equilateral triangle. So, and since both equilateral triangles are the same size, the 3 centimeters get split into 2 different sections. So, 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5 centimeters. Now, this 1.5 centimeters is the length of one of the smaller equilateral triangles. So, if we look at the sides of one of the smaller ones will be 1.5, 1.5, and 1.5. Now, with this, we can add all the sides that are exposed, but let's make life a bit easier for ourselves. For our smaller equilateral triangle, we can see that 2 sides are exposed. So, 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. And now, let's find each set of 2 sides that are exposed. So, our first set of 2 sides that are exposed is on our first triangle here, first smaller equilateral triangle. As you can see here. Then, so this is our first 3. So we can start off by writing 3, and then we have our next set of 2 sides on our second small equilateral triangle. So as you can see, we've drawn over our next 2 sides. So we have another 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. So now we have 2 3s here. Now we have our third set of 2 sides in our third equilateral triangle that's exposed to the outside. So, once again, 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3, and this is what we're counting as well. And now, for our last triangle, we have another set of 2 sides exposed. And, as we know, 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. Now we have 4 3s here. So now we have 4 3s. And so if we do 4 times 3, or add all our 3s together, we get the total length of 12 centimeters. But we must not forget the length of our larger equilateral triangle, which has 3 centimeters exposed. So 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 centimeters. And this is the perimeter of the shape. So as we've shown here, it will be useful as to find the length of that one side, but then find the multiples of it and to simplify the problem. So in the actual exam, simplifying the problem will help you to save time as repeating patterns are easier to spot. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.